Hello dear students, how are you all? Okay, let us learn today the science class by starting a new unit that is about the uses of plants and animals. What? Uses of plants and animals. Last class we have learned about our food, is it right? So today we are going to learn about the uses of plants and animals. So we will start this unit. So the first point which we are going to start this in this unit, that is about the uses of plants. What? Uses of plants. Okay, about the plants if we go, dear students, the plants in this world was one of the a tremendous creature which is given by the God. Is it right? Why? Because each and every living organism who are surviving on this earth depends on this plants. Plants are very surviving creature which is on the earth, helping to provide the food substances to all living organisms. Is it right? So though, if you go about the different types of the creatures, ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಜೀವಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಈ ಜೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೌ ದ ಆಲ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ that we have to think. So number of plants, is it right? So we will get flowers from them, we will get vegetables, fruits, is it right? So different types of, so the uses of these plants is vast. We are depending on this to use number of things. If you go about the food substances, number of food substances we will get, is it right? See, you think that what we are eating daily, how we are getting it? It is not the productions of the artificially producing products. ನಾವು ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಗೋಧಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ರಾಗಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಳುಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ತರಕಾರಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ, ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು we have to understand. We almost, the man is depending on plants, approximately 90 to 95% depends on the plants to survive his life. So ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, 90 to 95% ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಯೂಸಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಸಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫುಡ್, number of food items, is it right? Vegetable, fruits, cereals, pulses, all these food substances we are getting from it. Medicines preparing from plants, is it right? Flowers we are getting from the plants, is it right? And then cotton, cloths, preparation of paper, rubber, is it right? Number of spices, masalaಗಳು ಅಲ್ವಾ. So all these things, perfumes, how we are getting perfume from the plants, fuel, different types of fuels, and then edible oils, sunflower oil, groundnut oil ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, as a food, is it right? So that is from the plants, is it right? More importantly, oxygen, how we are getting oxygen, which is released by the plants only. The rain, management of the rain is also depends on the plants. So the plants are very important that we are depending on it. The number of usefulness which we are getting from the plants. Let us learn the different uses of the plants that we are getting from the plants one by one. The first we are going to learn today, that is about the food. What? Food. So it is very important. Is it right? To all living organisms, food is very important, and we completely depending on the plants. Is it right? Directly or indirectly, we are depending on the plants to obtain certain products of the food and others. Is it right? So what type of food which we are getting from? There are two different types of the food substances that today we are going to learn, that is cereals and pulses, which we call grains. Now grains ಸಹ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ನಾವು we depend on plants to get the grains, alva. So agricultural grains, number of grains. So grains are of two types, I said. Is it right? What is that? Cereals and pulses. First we go about the cereals. Okay. So cereals. What are these? What are these cereals? Like paddy, wheat, maize. Is it right? Different types of these cereals are very important for us, that we are getting from the plants only. We can't able to prepare artificially. Possible? Artificial is not prepare ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ possible ಇಲ್ಲ, but you have to depend on it. And even you know, these cereals are rich in carbohydrates. So ನಮಗೆ nutritive value ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, carbohydrates ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Carbohydrates are called as energy givers. ನಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ? ಸೆರಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಾಳುಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಾಲ್, ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಹಸಿರುಗಾಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಲ್ಸಸ್. ನಾವೆಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಪಲ್ಸಸ್. ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಡ್ರೈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ plants. So you know, dear students, these pulses are rich in proteins. What? Rich in proteins. You know what are proteins called? Proteins called as bodybuilders. What they are called as? Bodybuilders. So build our body, we grow because of the proteins. How we are getting proteins? By the grams. So now grams ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ protein ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So what we have learned today about the grains, cereals and pulses. So here cereals are rich in carbohydrates, and then pulses are rich in proteins. You think of that, carbohydrates are energy givers and proteins are bodybuilders. Okay, dear students, tomorrow we will learn expandingly about other food substances which we are getting from the plants. Okay, dear students, up to that, take care of yourself, listen this class, try to understand and do the work what I am giving. Okay, thank you, bye, take care.